Prevents rodent damage, protects wiring, maintains hygiene, avoids costly repairs, ensures safer, cleaner car interiors. Today's video is about top 5 best mouse repellent sprays for car interiors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ZLieatmp Mouse Repellent Sprays Car Interiors. This advanced rodent repellent offers a smart and effective solution for protecting car engines from unwanted pests. Its dual-action technology, combining adjustable 22 to 50 kHz ultrasonic waves with synchronized LED strobe lights, works efficiently to deter mice and squirrels by targeting their senses and disrupting their habitat preferences. The dual power supply option adds flexibility, allowing users to connect via USB or directly to the car's power source for continuous operation without worrying about battery drain. One standout feature is the vibration-activated function, which pauses operation during driving and automatically resumes afterward, saving energy and ensuring convenience. Its compact design makes installation easy in cars, garages, or even indoor spaces like attics and kitchens. Safe for humans and most pets, the device operates silently while delivering reliable protection. Backed by responsive after-sales support, this rodent repellent is a practical, low-maintenance choice for long-term vehicle and property care. Now our second product is Angveirt Mouse Repellent Sprays Car Interiors. This underhood rodent repeller is a practical solution for reducing nesting activity in vehicles and storage spaces. It uses random ultrasonic waves combined with flashing strobe lights to create an uncomfortable environment for rodents, making it especially useful during colder or spring seasons when animals seek warm shelter. The battery-operated design is convenient, running up to 85 days on 3 AA batteries, which makes it ideal for parked cars, RVs, or garages without constant power access. Installation is simple with included zip ties, allowing quick placement in common rodent entry areas like engine compartments, attics, or basements. Its smart vibration detection is a standout feature, automatically turning off while the vehicle is running and restarting when parked, helping conserve battery life. It also offers broad coverage against various small animals, reducing the risk of costly damage. Overall, it's an easy-to-use, low-maintenance device, though users should be mindful of the strobe light warning for sensitive individuals or pets. Our third product is Waysla Mouse Repellent Sprays Car Interiors. This rodent repellent delivers a solid, chemical-free solution for protecting car engines and other spaces from pests. Using variable frequency ultrasonic waves and LED strobe lights, it effectively creates an uncomfortable environment for mice, rats, and squirrels without causing harm. The test and ultra modes make it easy to confirm functionality and ensure reliable performance. Its multi-purpose design is a big plus, as it works well not only under the hood but also in garages, attics, and storage areas. The device is built to handle harsh weather and temperature conditions, making it suitable for long-term use. The intelligent vibration sensor adds convenience by automatically turning off when the car is running and restarting when parked, saving battery life. Safe for humans and pets, it operates silently while targeting rodent sensory systems. Overall, it's a practical, easy-to-install, and effective deterrent for anyone looking to prevent rodent damage. Now number 4, Mighty Mint Mouse Repellent Sprays Car Interiors. Mighty Mint Rodent Repellent stands out as a natural and effective solution for keeping pests away from vehicles and storage areas. Made with extra concentrated peppermint oil, it delivers a strong plant-based formula that helps deter mice, rats, and other rodents from nesting or causing damage to wiring and interiors. One of its biggest advantages is its pet and family-friendly formulation when used as directed, making it a safer alternative to harsh chemical repellents. The fresh peppermint scent is pleasant for users while being highly unappealing to rodents, offering long-lasting protection in enclosed spaces like garages or car interiors. The ready-to-use 16-ounce spray bottle adds convenience, allowing easy application under hoods, in trunks, or inside vehicles without leaving stains or residue. It's versatile enough for cars, RVs, boats, and more. Overall, this spray is a simple, natural, and practical choice for maintaining a rodent-free environment. And our last choice is Ciic Mouse Repellent Sprays Car Interiors. This upgraded ultrasonic pest repellent offers a modern and efficient way to keep rodents away from both homes and vehicles. By combining fixed and variable frequency ultrasound with a strobe light, it helps prevent pests from adapting, improving long-term effectiveness against mice, rats, squirrels, and more. Operating within 22 kHz or 50 kHz, it remains inaudible to humans and most pets, making it a safe, chemical-free option for everyday use. Its versatility is a major advantage. You can power it via USB for indoor spaces like kitchens, garages, or basements, or connect it directly to a vehicle's battery for engine protection. The device is energy efficient, consuming just 2W, and runs silently without odors, ensuring no disturbance. The auto switch feature is especially useful for cars, pausing during operation and restarting after parking. Overall, it's a convenient, low-maintenance, and multi-purpose solution for maintaining a pest-free environment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.